This is break ID 231, 2017 Immaculate Baseball 1-box break. Still a handful left in 232 and the filler breaks that go along with it, filler spots. As soon as those are gone, we'll break that one also. All right, so let's bring up the alphabetical lists. Whoops, actually this is a buy one, get one free, so I need to assign those spots. Give me a second. All right, we're all set. Now let's pull up the alphabetical list. And randomize it 3 times. And there you go. I'll leave that up there for a minute. And here we go. Pee Wee Reese, 51 of 99. Braden Shipley, 42 of 99, jersey. Diamondbacks. That is Robert S.I. And Max Carey. Bat, 19 of 25. Pittsburgh, that is Wayne S.I. Boy, I like this next one. It's gorgeous, too. 3 of 25, patch bat, Salvador Perez. Nice looking. That is Kansas City. And that is Wayne S.I. And a redemption. And this could be short print. Can you look it up? This is Rookie Auto Premium Patch Gold, Dansby Swanson. I'm going to look that up. That's to Atlanta. That is Wayne S.I. We'll see if we can figure out what that's numbered to. Give me just a second. Getting there. That is numbered out of 10. Wow, very nice. Golds to 10, blues to 5, platinums to 1. Wayne S.I., there you go, very nice. And the last one, 34 of 49, Edgar Renteria. On-card auto. To St. Louis. That is Wayne S.I. It was Wayne's box. 34 of 49. All right, we'll get those right up for you. And grab the last of the Immaculate that's up there and the fillers, and we'll break it right away.